Hey guys, it's Eric Nguyen, and today I'm going to be talking about what are the winning Google Ads formula for local businesses in 2024, especially if you're in the salon business hair owners for what the Ascensio Agency way. So if you guys want to learn more about the Ascensio Agency, my YouTube channel, my Instagram channel, and my TikTok channel will all be in this Gamma document for you with the link provided. All you guys got to do is click the link and check out my channel. To where I talk about and show you exactly tutorials and step by step exactly how to run and set up Google Ads to be efficient so that way you can get the most for your business and grow and scale and not just rely on a referral based business here. But let's get started here, guys. So the first thing that we want to focus on is understanding the bidding strategy, right? When you're first creating your campaign and you select your first bidding structure, you only have a few options that Google will give you when you select a bidding structure. Usually it's often going to be maximize clicks, maximize conversion values, and etc. Most people will just select the maximize clicks option, but that's just going to be depending, and it really depends. If you are running Google Ads for your first time, maximize clicks and maximize conversions will not do anything for you, right? So this means that you want to make sure that you're generating traffic that's going to convert these new leads, right? So you want to be able to actually find these people who are actually looking for your service, not tire clickers, right? So how we're going to do that is by understanding that you want to basically start, if you're running new Google Ads, you want to select manual cost per click because you want to collect data first. If you don't have data yet, I recommend doing manual cost per click. If you have data already and you've been running Google Ads, then we recommend going to maximize conversions from here, right? So that way, that way you're not spending so much money and burning money that could be leading to bad traffic, or not even getting in the data that you like, right? So the minimum barrier that you need to have before from going manual cost per click to maximizing conversions is about having 20 to 30 conversions. So that way Google Ads can build data and trust, so that way they know what type of structure they need to get that conversion for you or to get the leads coming your way. As you can see here, this is what we want to set to. And if we were to go to the campaign structure here, you want to select the bidding option. This is where you can see the manual CPC. So let's just say, for example, you were at the manual maximize conversions. You'll say it says get guidance, selecting a bidding strategy here, and that's going to press save, right? Let's just say you are doing this. And then if we were to do this, we want to press and actually change our bidding strategy. You'll want to say select a bid strategy directly not recommended, and it'll select the manual cost per click. Then you're just going to turn these two off and then press save, just like that for you guys, right? So now, the second thing we want to understand is the trust and location, right? A lot of business get the targeting wrong. And what I mean by that, in order to really actually build trust and location to your area, you need to have the right location for your hair salon or your local service-based business, right? So then in order to do that, we actually want to go to advanced location and to select the radius option, right? The reason why I always think about this is because we want to make sure it's important to think from a customer's perspective. I always ask this question, like, do you want a service that can act now and come to your house or come to you in the next 15, 30 minutes or an hour, right? We're putting in our customer's shoes, right? By setting the radius, this will allow you understand what type of customers are actually looking for your service in that radius, and just targeting that whole city that people don't want your service or not serious, right? And we want to do that by making sure we also turn off the search network and display network. The reason why this is important, because you don't want Google Ads to be targeting other channels that don't have serious buyer when someone clicks on your ad, right? So what we mean by that is when we're in the location area, we're going to make sure we press the enter another location. Then we're going to do the advanced search. So, and what I mean by this, right, if we were just doing just the location itself in Santa Monica, California, as you can see, this square block is just covering Santa Monica. But now, let's just say if I did the radius and I want to target Anaheim in 20 miles, right? If we were to do that, you can see how Santa Monica is just covering this small block here versus I'm taking the whole city of Anaheim already with 20-mile radius. So that means I'm targeting people who want to go from Santa Ana, from Irvine, all the way into Anaheim to your location, whether it be a 10, 15, 20-minute drive for your hair salon business, right? That way, I'm targeting more customers, more leads are actually qualified that want to go for you, rather than just targeting a small city block here, right? That's very crucial for your business. You're losing I bet you a bunch of potential customers just by targeting one location when we could be selecting a whole radius here. And we could adjust this, right, by, let's just say we want to remove this, and maybe you only want to target people in, 15-mile radius of Anaheim, right? So let's just do that, and let me just change this to 15, and we're going to target that. See how the radius is changed here now, made it a little bit smaller in the 15-mile radius here, all right? Maybe you want to do in Los Angeles in 10 miles only, right? And that was something we could do too. So let's just say Los Angeles, and we can target that. Boom. See, look, as we can see, this is much better than just targeting a location specific only to Santa Monica. That's something we want to focus on and understand that if we were to able to select this whole Los Angeles, we can find better service, better quality customers that actually want your service to drive to you from here, right? That's the biggest thing. So now, the biggest thing is understanding your landing page. A lot of people, when they run Google Ads, is they don't have a clear, direct landing page of what service you provide or what service that customers are looking for, right? So, for example, if you're a local service business in the hair salon, you are doing the best, hair colors, or let's just say you're a plumbing business, you do drain repairs. I would recommend being specific onto your landing page for that service, right? And I recommend just going straight to the point of what your service is. You show the guarantees, you show the testimonials, and having a call to action, whether it's a phone number or for someone to dial or fill out a form, so that way they can just have a direct call to you and get to your service as soon as possible, right? And I'm going to show you this company here, this roofing company that has a great, beautiful landing page that I recommend, right? So they focus on roof replacements. This is going to say it's a direct benefit right here, a roof replacement that will save you thousands. They do it safe, easy, proven, affordable. You enter your digit code right here. That means they're going to give you a free estimate. Beautiful, trust, and guarantee. They have their testimonials right here. They show all the benefits here. They are shown on all these things. So this means they worked with or who. This is the testimonial factor here. So this means that they want to show you what they've done, the work done before and after of old ways of old roofers and the new way of what they do, right? So this could be something you hair salon owners do before and after, transformational, what the new way of making sure that how to make sure you have nice, beautiful, long lasting hair, right? From here, then they show all the testimonials, the reviews here, so you can read it. Very easy to read, and they have a quick form to fill out. Very simple, just like that. Now, once you have a form, they're going to get a free estimate, give a call. So let's say, for example, to book in your appointment, call in, or maybe someone to call, or what are you looking for exactly for hair dye, all this stuff. You can see how this landing page is very, very simple to create and do. Versus if I was just to go to a hair salon near me, and if I was just to click this hair salon, wow, look at this. We're talking about all these services here. Great, right? But now it's bombarded with all these type of pictures and testimonials out here, right? From that end. And then it's too very lengthy, too much on heavy on the copy, and the call to action is very minimal to read versus, as we can see here, this call to action is direct and clear and it's bright. This appointment here, talented stylist, perfect, right? Now open 7 days a week. Where's the call to action? Where's the fill out the form here, right? To say to book an appointment, right? Not just say to appointment, you want to say book an appointment, right? These are things that are crucial that could have people or new clients or leads coming your way when you're running Google Ads that are falling off, right? So that's why you want it to have clear and concise, right? This is not a clear call to action. Book now, right? We want to see a testimonial where it's before and after here or something, right? So, and that's why it's important, right? And the last thing that we want to talk about is when you're running Google Ads, you need to have negative keywords, right? We want people who are looking for your service. We don't want people who are looking, for a service plus like a job, an application, and do it yourself, and ideas, or maybe to, tutorials exactly, right? When someone clicks on your ad with these keywords that you've added, there are some certain people who are not going to be actual buyers, but just going to be looking around for your service, right? So in order to filter out and get the right buyers, we need to add negative keywords to maximize our Google Ads to target these specific people who are in need of your service, right? This allows your ad to not show when, someone searches, go on Google where they say hair salon, do it yourself, or blonde hair tutorial service, do it yourself, right? It's going to be the number one place that you're going to waste a lot of money if you do not have your keywords added. And the best way to add that is you're going to go to the tools here, right? And what you're going to do is you're actually going to go to the bulk actions, and then you're going to see You're going to go to the shared library, actually, I'm sorry, and then you're going to go to the exclusion list here. This is where you're going to be able to add that negative keywords, to add all the filter words that are coming in that people are looking in and are broad interest right here, right? So once that's done, it's going to be taken care of, right? And we have to understand this. Why is this important for you to not make to have this winning Google Ads formula, right? When you're running Google Ads efficiently, you're able to maximize your conversion and have higher quality leads where you don't waste a lot of tons of money or spend. That is the true power of using this winning Google Ads formula. If you're able to optimize your bidding, your strategy, update your negative keywords daily, you're going to be able to 2 to 3x your local business, especially if you're in the hair salon. This is going to allow you to get more leads, get consistency, monetize the leads, fulfill the client work, and have more referrals. And eventually you're going to have more better hires, and more margins. And eventually maybe you want to franchise, open another hair salon, and etc. from here. But overall, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to leave a comment if you guys have any questions or thoughts about this. I'd love to give you guys answers back. And make sure to like this video, give me a thumbs up, and as always, make sure to subscribe to this video so I can make more content for you guys out here. Thank you guys so much for watching.